The end. Hi there, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today, my colleague Molly and I are going to be entertaining you with fun ecology facts about mimicry.
Well, let's not get carried away, Izzy.
Okay, so what is mimicry? Webster would define mimicry as the act or art of imitating someone or something, typically in order to entertain or ridicule.
But Webster wasn't an ecologist, so we're here to break it down for you.
Right. So, biologically speaking, mimicry is the physical resemblance of two or more species resulting from inherent advantages of similar appearances. So let's look at the example with octopi.
Octopuses?
Octopi?
Whatever. Keep going.
A recently discovered species of Indonesian octopus, conveniently called the mimic octopus, has been described as being able to mimic other marine species, not only in color patterns, but also in body posture and shape as well. The ability for this octopus to mimic multiple predator species provides a significant advantage in the predator-rich environment of its habitat by allowing the octopus to react to different threats in different ways.
Cool story, bro?
Don't humor me, Molly, this is really cool. The mimic octopus has been observed mimicking a highly venomous banded sea snake after being attacked by a group of damselfish. This octopus does this by threading 6 of its arms into a hole while waving the other 2 around, mimicking the actions of the snake.
It's also been seen mimicking the lionfish, which is known for its barbed and venomous fins, as well as the poisonous banded sole, a type of flatfish.
Another type of mimicry is called malarian. Malarian mimicry is when several noxious species resemble each other.
An example of this type of mimicry is found in the New Guinea bird genus Pitui. This bird's skin and feathers contain a highly toxic compound called homobatrachotoxin that causes paralysis and convulsions when ingested. Several species within the Pitui genus share a similar color pattern. The brightly colored feathers and patterns of the Pitui birds are representative of aposematic coloration, in which the conspicuous coloration of a species serves to warn other species that it is noxious.
So we've been over Batesian and malarian.
So what other types of mimicry are there?
Whoa, Molly, calm down. You got a little aggressive there.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm getting at. Aggressive mimicry. Let's look at the zone-tailed hawk example. The zone-tailed hawk soars with the same wing shape as a vulture when it searches for prey. This example represents aggressive mimicry because the noxious species, in this case the predatory hawk, is resembling a benign species, the non-predatory vulture. This is advantageous for the hawk because its prey is less likely to feel threatened or to become aware of the presence of the predator.
So what's next? What else have you got for me?
Well, there's vocal mimicry.
Okay, do tell.
Sure. An example of vocal mimicry involves the mockingbird, which is the mimic, and the Florida scrubjay, which is the model. The scrubjay is a known nest predator of other bird species and possesses a very distinct call. The mockingbird vocally mimics the call of the scrubjay in an attempt to deter potential competitors in the area. These competitors are fooled by the mockingbird's attempt to imitate the scrubjay, and therefore the mockingbird comes out as the top competitor in the area.
Okay, so we have Batesian, malarian, aggressive, and vocal mimicry. Is there anything else I need to know about?
Well, there's always mimesis.
Mimi what?
Mimesis.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
So what's mimesis?
So mimesis is when a species actually imitates an object rather than another species.
Oh, so for example the...
Phasmatologia.
Which is also known as a stick bug.
Yep.
This insect clearly resembles a stick. The advantage to looking like an inanimate object is to avoid being someone's dinner. If a predator species is fooled by this type of mimicry and just sees the stick on the ground, then the insect lives to see another day. This example is commonly seen in insects and other organisms that are commonly preyed upon, and it seems to be working well for all of them so far.
Okay.
So that's all you need to know about mimicry. I
Have
hope
a
you
good
enjoyed the
day.
video.